scared to compile. This is a problem statement. Flowchat, an AI-powered conversational interface for Argo ocean data discovery and visualization. We have successfully created a prototype for this problem statement, which we will look at right now. Hello everyone. Today I'll be walking you through our platform FloatChat, a powerful tool designed to provide real-time ocean insights, intelligent data visualizations, practical solutions for researchers, policymakers, and stakeholders. Let's dive right in. Here we begin with the login page. It's designed with a clean ocean-inspired aesthetic. Users can sign in securely with their credentials or if they are new, register to create an account. The interface ensures accessibility, keeping everything simple and user-friendly. Once we're logged in, we arrived at the navigation bar. The navigation bar is neatly placed at the top and contains the following sections as you can see: the chatbot, dashboard, data visualizer, alerts, downloads, tools, learnings, and the classic settings. Each section is directly accessible, allowing smooth movements across the platform. Moving on, we have the chatbot. This is not just a basic bot, it is an AI powered assistant built to handle user queries. For example, user can ask where marine animals live in coral reefs. It's interactive, conversational, and save times by providing direct insights. Moving ahead, we have the dashboard. The dashboard is the heart of the platform, providing snapshots of critical ocean data, real time updates on sea temperatures, the salinity, the oxygen, and the depth of all the floats, or even the active ones, or you can even check for the inactive ones. We can play the action of the float over time of like 6 days, 7 days, or even 10 days. It also gives a number of the active floats in the region. It's customizable. User can add or remove widgets based on what matters the most to them. Moving on, we have the data visualizer. This is where the platform really comes alive. Users can upload datasets, generate heat maps, interactive 3D charts based on temperatures, salinity, or even based on different oceans like Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, or even Arctic. Ahead, we have alerts. This is where the system automatically generates warnings insights based on thresholds or usual patterns. For instance, rising sea levels, temperatures, early indicators of harmful algal blooms, marine heat waves, cyclone risks. Even if we can choose, like here, marine heat waves, it shows us the real time, the region, the current value, or even which it is posted by, the location, the severity of the alert, and etc. The alerts are color coded for severity, ensuring policymakers and stakeholders can respond to them quickly. Moving on, we have the downloads. The downloads is where users can export data in PDF, CSV, or Excel, graphs, visualizations for presentations, summarizations for alerts or trends. This makes it easy to use the platform outputs in academic papers, policymaking documents, or even classroom teachings. Moving on, we have tools. This section provides specialized resources including predictive models for oceanic currents, oceanic calculators, temperature profiler, climate forecasting simulations, marine ecosystem health calculators. These tools make the platform not just informational but actionable. We can even launch the tool and calculate the density for ourselves. Like here, if the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, salinity is 35 psu, and temp pressure is, of course, 100 bars, we can check the density of the ocean in that particular region. Next is the Learning Hub. This is an educational resource for anyone who wants to understand ocean science better. It includes articles, tutorials, case studies, interactive quizzes, training material for students, researchers, and policymakers. It bridges the gap between complex data and easy learning. The settings. The page allows the users to personalize their experience from language preferences to dashboard customizations, the notification controls. It ensures every user can mold the platform to their needs. Moving ahead, we have some user preferred platform tools which a researcher or a policymaker might need, like upload researches. This, let's look at the upload section. Particularly from researchers' perspective, researchers can upload raw data sets, share findings with the community, store their work securely in the cloud. The platform ensures the data integrity and supports collaboration across institutions. Moving on, for research and policymakers, we have a section called making policies. Policymakers don't need raw data, they need actionable insights. So here they can review policy oriented dashboards, access summarized reports, what if scenarios for decision making. Finally, they can make an policy, draft new policies, base their policies on real time data, historical trends, and predictive models. For example, the data shows increasing chloral bleaching. Policymakers can immediately propose stricter regulations on coastal pollution and fishing. For example, in the platform, consistent rise in the sea and surface temperature linked to stronger cyclones might lead to an disaster. So, for example, if a policymaker has to make a policy, say on say climate actions, with a brief description about it, like coastal zoning laws or green infrastructure, within category, with of course related to climate actions, there is an AI policy recommendation center for them. This is where the platform's AI capabilities truly shines. After you have entered the basic information, you can access the AI's recommendations to help you build the policy's contents. No AI recommendations, which is the normal state when the starting fresh. To get an AI's help, you simply click the generate recommendations button at the bottom. This is your AI helper. It's designed to suggest policy components based on the category you have selected. For instance, if you choose climate actions, you can see right here it gives you the general recommendations like carbon neutral ocean. And that concludes the walkthrough of the flowchart platform. From login to chatbot, from dashboards to data visualizations. The platform is designed one-step solution for ocean research, monitoring, and sustainable policy development.